Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So we see a little bit of movement in the crypto market that always opens up some new opportunities. With AVAX, it's still holding its orange support area, which I'm counting as part of the wave 2. So we have here a 1-2-1-2 setup. It might reset this wave 2 though. Did highlight that I think in the previous video. For example, a few coins did that already. Solana did that. So again, we have a shallow support and a deep support. As long as the deep support is holding, the overall uptrend is in place. At the moment, let me see. At the moment, if I zoom out, at the moment I wouldn't be surprised if it resets its wave 2. I'm going to show you what that means in a minute, but eventually it just needs to hold the lower support at 1478 to give us that reliable third wave to the upside, eventually up there. So let me also give you a target for the third wave. Condition again would be to hold that yellow support area. Everything below that will make it very challenging. So looking at the 1.618 extension for the third wave, that would be a target, talking about $32 as a minimum if it works out. If it holds support. For now, it appears to be holding support and the move down appears to be corrective. So that's also why I am highlighting this as a 1-2 setup. So there's two possibilities. Either it just needs that shallow correction, then we can count it as a 1-2-1-2, which would be ultimately the direct breakout count, a little bit more bullish. But then it needs to hold here the 78.6 retrace at around 1597. That is together with the yellow support here at 1595, or basically 1590 and 1595, a cluster of support. So if it holds here, it leaves us a little bit in the limbo, a little bit unclear about, okay, is it a 1-2-1-2 or just a larger 1-2? That doesn't really matter from a trading point of view, I think. But just be aware that around the 1595, 1590 level, there is a lot of support. So from here at some point, I would still expect a bullish outcome. Again, condition is that the 1478 level eventually holds. And the move down looks corrective. The price action isn't super clear. It isn't super clear. I mean, there are possibilities to count this move down as an A wave, then an overshooting B wave. And maybe then this was a 1-2 already. We're now in a third wave down, fourth and the fifth, off wave C, off wave 2. And then we could start to go up from there. But it's often a bit pointless to try to count really the subwave structures of a correction, especially if the corrective structure looks a bit messy. But so largely unchanged. It hasn't even invalidated the orange support area. So I leave the 1-2-1-2 on the chart, but I will add alternative circle 2, because this is going to be the possibility that I'm going to go with if 1590 is broken and price sustains below that level. What does it mean, price sustains below? It means support is breaking and price is consolidating below support, basically flipping support for resistance. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.